I bet you've heard about machine learning, but do you really know what it's all about? Well, buckle up because I'm about to blow your mind with the basics in just 60 seconds. Machine learning is teaching a computer to learn from data, similar to how we learn from experience. It's all about algorithms that improve automatically through experience, using statistical techniques to give computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. But wait, there's more. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you're teaching a computer to recognize cats in pictures. You show it thousands of cat photos, and it starts to pick up on patterns: whiskers, pointy ears, fluffy tails. The more data it sees, the better it gets at spotting cats. That's machine learning in action. The computer is essentially building its own set of rules to solve problems. This process involves three key components: the algorithm, the data, and the features. Together, they form the foundation of how machines learn and make predictions.